Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by establishing a clear baseline so you know progress. Test your distance and near clarity now, then record it. Next, set a 20-20-20 reminder on your phone and stick to it. This reduces continuous accommodation and retinal strain. Once done, correct your ergonomic setup. Position screens at eye level, keep 50-70 cm distance, use warm lighting and anti-glare. Make sure to hydrate and avoid long stretches of near work, so your visual system can start adapting. You now build the core routine that retrains focusing and supports retinal health. Perform palming and breath-coordinated blinks to reduce tension, then do 10 cycles of near-far focus. Switch from 30 cm to 3 m for 5 minutes and finish with smooth tracking movements to improve coordination. Simultaneously, prioritize nutrition. Eat spinach, eggs, salmon, and berries for lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3s, which support macular function. Once finished, protect sleep by reducing blue light 69. You wrap up by measuring results and adjusting intensity. Test acuity weekly and compare to baseline so you can make informed changes. If improvement occurs, gradually increase challenge, longer focus ranges, smaller font sizes, more reps while keeping comfort. Make sure to complement practice with consistent sleep and diet so gains consolidate. Troubleshooting. If you feel persistent pain, double vision, or worsening acuity, stop the exercises and consult an eye professional promptly. This step protects your vision and guides safe next actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.